Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to TCTC Time. I'm your host, Isaac Turner. To start today's show, we have a new segment for science featuring Mrs. Reimer.
Hi, I'm Miss Reimer, and I have two co-stars with me today. This is
Shawn Rufener from the Culinary Arts Program.
and
Connor Gooseman from Pre-Nursing Phlebotomy Tech.
and we will be doing an at-home science lab for today. So what we're going to do is we're going to be making elephant toothpaste, and this is something that you can do at home with very minimal supplies as well. So what I want you guys to do first is take your flask, your glass flask right here, and we're going to take the hydrogen peroxide, and we're going to fill that to about 100 milliliters at the bottom line. Take your time, take your time. Okay, now that we have our hydrogen peroxide in there, we're also gonna add some dish soap, and this is gonna help to trap the gas. So just take some of the Ajax, it doesn't matter how much you use, just squirt. Okay, and then from there, we are gonna pick a color of what we want our elephant toothpaste to be. So the choice is yours, guys, whatever color you want. Okay, and then last, we're gonna do our reaction. So let's make sure our flask is in the bin, okay? And we have our safety glasses on to be safe. And we're just gonna add our yeast mixture into our flask. If you're doing this at home, a 2-liter bottle works good. You can use anything with a closed-toothed mouth, and then you have your elephant toothpaste that's created from there. Always make sure you're protecting your eyes, but this is a really good, easy reaction that you can do at home. And the reason why this works is because we have hydrogen peroxide that's breaking down into water and oxygen gas, and then the soap is going to trap the gas bubbles when that reaction takes place, and the yeast is an enzyme that will speed up that reaction to make the foam fast. Thanks. Good job, guys.
Thank you, Mrs. Reimer. Next, we have Living Literacy with Mrs. Sydlowski.
Good morning, TCTC students. It's Mrs. Sydlowski back with another edition of Living Literacy. This week, I wanted to promote the literacy contest that I emailed to all of you last week. With September being Attendance Awareness Month, I would like as many of you who are interested to participate to create a notebook cover that promotes good attendance here at TCTC. You can get all of the details of the contest by scanning this QR code or using the link that was emailed to you last week. Notebook cover entries should be emailed to me or sent to me on the Google form by September 26th. Winners will be chosen at the end of the month and will receive a $15 gift card to either the Hotspot or Cafe 528, as well as some free TCTC swag. Any questions about the contest, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Have a great day, guys.
Thank you, Mrs. Sydlowski. Our final segment will be a program insider from the Aviation and Drone Technology program.
My name is Travis LaNeve. I'm in Aviation and Drone Technology. I chose this program because aviation is kind of what my life almost lives and breathes around. That's kind of what I do. I've always had a love for aviation, especially over the last 5 years of my life. Flying planes is really what my biggest goal is, my biggest love as well. I've been flying planes now for about 2 years and really heavily over this last year, especially after soloing an airplane and having the logged hours under my belt. So that's kind of like the main basis is aviation is just part of my life now. What I like about this program is that it really focuses on the foundations of aviation and really builds upon that. One of the first things we learned about was weather. Again, if you're going to be in the skies, you're going to be flying in the atmosphere, you got to know what all the weather conditions, the weather patterns, how all that stuff works, how it happens. That's kind of the main basis of it. Another part of it is that a few of us have got our drones license. We're going through the Part 107 part of this semester last year. I am a Part 107 licensed drone operator now. That's also something I really love because now that's something else I could always fall back upon. And finally, like this year, we're learning aviation maintenance. So another important part about flying planes is maybe learning how to work on them as well. So that's another part that I love about it. So junior year, you're going to learn meteorology very heavily. So again, that's just the weather. Second part of that year is going to be your Part 107 certification, so getting your drones license if you choose to take the final FAA test. For your senior year, you're going to be starting off with aviation maintenance, which is what I'm in currently, and then rolling into the second half of the year and kind of staying with maintenance is just aviation as a general part, so becoming more of a pilot. So as a student ambassador, what I hope to achieve is hearing all my classmates' needs and wants and try to have their voices heard at a higher level about what they believe can be changed, things that they think is a better idea, what they want to see. That's kind of my goal, is just making their voices heard overall.
Amazing. Well, that's all for today. We'll hope to see you next time on TCTC Time.